So today children, we will be learning the conversions, how to convert smaller unit into bigger unit. Okay, so there are again types of converting, and there are 4 types. As I have already told you in the previous class, converting 4 types of bigger unit into smaller unit. So today we are going to discuss all the 4 types of converting smaller units into bigger units. So the first one is converting centimeter into meter. So converting centimeter into meter. I'm writing it in short so that you understand quickly. Converting meter into kilometer. So you see, this is small, this one is bigger one. This is small here than this kilometer. Okay, here meter is big, but here meter is small. And third one is converting centimeter into meter and centimeter. And the fourth one is converting meter into centimeter and meter. Kilometer and meter. So these are 4 types of converting smaller unit into bigger unit. So there you were multiplying. So when you are doing reverse, what you are going to do? You are just going to divide. So again, let's write it in a reverse manner. That is 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Previously we were writing 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now let's write it in the other way. So what about kilometer and meter? Relation between meter and kilometer? 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So this is the first thing you should know. And then we will be continuing the video. So we'll be seeing for some examples. Let's go for the worksheet directly, and there we will find some examples. I'll solve it. Let's do this first. Convert number 1, A, that is convert into meters and centimeter. This one is convert into meters and centimeters. Now let's see how to do it. First one was 700 centimeter. Now I will teach you a very easy method. If you remember division, oral division, okay, it's going to help you here. So 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, you have written. That also you can write it here in bracket. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, or you can put it into a box. Either way, I will divide. This is equal to 700, okay, divided by 100. That's it. Underline 2 zeros here, and from right hand side 2 zeros here. So now it is, what is left? 7. That is meter. So it's converted to meter. As 0 is centimeter. So 0 means nothing. So 7 meter is our answer. Let's see one more example, and let me take one more, that is F. Let me take F, and that is 301 centimeter. So how we are going to do this? Let's see. It's the same way. Okay. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Now this is equal to 301 divided by 100. Again, underline these two zeros. Underline here two places. As two zeros you are underlined. So here two places. From the right hand side, ones place and tens place. Here ones place and tens place. So this 3 is coming down, that is meter, and this 01, which one you have underlined, that one will come here to centimeter. So now this is, some children they write it, sorry, this is nothing to be written. Your answer is ready with here. This is our answer, as this is our answer. Now here I have done one more step, because this is 0 centimeter, nothing, so that is written as 7 meter, but here 3 meter and 1 centimeter. Don't write it as 3 meter again, like 7 meter. Children do this mistake, they omit this and write it 3 meter. That is completely wrong. Okay, let's see one more example of number 2. Here it is, we are converting meter. You can write here, convert meter into kilometer into meter. Okay, so let's see how it is. As you remember, 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Now 9000 divided by, I'll do 1000. So here 3 zeros, so 3 places. Now 9 is what? Meter, we are converting to kilometer. 9 kilometer, then 3 zeros here are meter. As this 3 zeros meter is nothing, so it is 9 kilometer is our answer. Similarly, we will be looking for one more example. Let's take G number 15623 meter. Now here what we are going to do? Same way we are going to write 15623 divided by 1000. So underline 3 zeros. From right hand side, underline 3 places, that is ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100. Now this 15 is left, this is 15 kilometer. The left one is bigger unit and this one is the smaller one. So now we learned 4 types of conversion. Let me show you once again. This is first type, centimeter to meter, then centimeter to meter and centimeter. Here meter to kilometer and meter to kilometer and meter. Okay, so now the rest of the bits of worksheet 2 to be done by you. I hope you understood, children.